to be able to bring in or to capture the desire of some woman. Sex is the driving force. Sex is the reason why you do what you do. A lot of, not everything, but as far as being successful, being a millionaire, which we all want to be millionaires, right? Especially men. We want to be millionaires. Now women, they want to find a millionaire. Men, we want to be a millionaire, right? Women want to find you. And because being a millionaire just makes life easy. And it does, because I am one. And it makes life very easy. But once you master sex, sexual transmutation, and really understand it and how it works, you will master money in a way that you can't even explain. You will master your thoughts. You will master people around you. You will master women. Okay, here we go.